Good morning, mga ka, mga guys, si auntie nyo to. Anyway, yeah, dito sa backyard namin, mayroon na naman kaming magandang pusa. This cat, I don't know if she or he, but I like the features of the face of this cat. Kasi pag tinignan mo siya sa malapitan, it looks like an owl, the feature of the face of this cat. But ito yung pusa na matapang. Matapang. Sabi ng brother-in-law ko, no, my husband rather, my husband said, this is a bully cat. Bully. Kasi siya yung, this is the cat who wanted to fight with the raccoon. Remember with my previous video? Ito yun siya. Lagi din to siyang pumupunta dito sa likod namin. Yeah. Pero gustong gusto ko siya. Yeah, yung ano niya. See? Mukha siyang owl. Look at his face. I like the face, the feature of his face. And stripes of her body. Gustong gusto ko din siya. Yung pattern niya rather. See? Yung pattern niya. Kasi sa Pilipinas, mayroon akong pusa, si Tabi. Ganyan yung pattern niya sa kanyang skin. Miss na miss ko na yun. Babae naman yung pusa kong yun. And she always give birth, sad for her. See, nakatitig siya sa atin. Ayan. Ano naman siya, behave naman siya. If there's nothing in there, this cat is behave. Pero pag meron, parang siguro, instinct ba niya na need niyang i-depend yung sarili na. Parang ganun. So, yun. Pero, the difference is, siya yung sumugod dun sa raccoon. Which is yung raccoon, it's a wild animal. So, kaya sabi ng asawa ko, naku, ayaw ko makita yun na baka masaktan yung pusa because my husband loves cats. So, we have 2 cats, Toby and Shiba. I like this cat, the feature of the face. Yan. Diyan lang siya sa likod. Nandito siya lagi sa backyard namin every morning. Yeah. So guys, ito muna yung ating video for today. Enjoy watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and you love to comment too. Please do. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Enjoy the video.